Alright, you guys, quick disclaimer, okay? Now, this right here is for V6 chargers. Now, I'm doing V6 content before this motor actually comes out. So I'm helping my people out who got V6 chargers and want to do something like this, okay? So if you do want to do a hood swap, it will fit. You would just have to play with it a little bit just to get the adjustments right. Now, I would recommend getting the front bumper only because there's slightly differences when it doesn't line up properly. Okay, you guys, and I'm gonna show you that real quick before we get into this video. If you guys notice right here, okay, if you look on the factory hood, this right here lines up with the other one. So this is why I say you guys need to replace the front bumper. That right there is why you guys hear that super whine charge in those Hellcats, because of that vent scoop. So if you got a V6, you got a Canaan intake, or whatever kind of intake, that's what you're gonna hear. Now that we got that in the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. Look, I can't wait. When I do the motor swap, man, I might have the hood off just for a little bit, man, just to flex that whipper when I got it up in there. Yeah. So if you guys notice, there's like a little hook right here, and this one is broken, but up you guys, man, welcome back to the channel. Look, check this out. So I went ahead and got a Hellcat hood for this Dodge Charger. Now the only downfall and the problem is I can install the hood, but this right here, there's like a little curve right here to where it's not gonna line up. So I'm gonna put that on there and we're gonna see if it lines up. Now if it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to get this bumper right here replaced. Yeah. But yeah, so this right here is gonna get changed. But like this right here, this does not, it's not gonna line up. Okay? And I'm gonna get my friend to come over here and help me put this on. Okay? He's gonna help me put this hood on, my boy Zoe. Make sure you guys go check out his YouTube channel as well, man. He's doing if you're into Mustangs, and I plan on getting me a Mustang too. I don't have nothing against Mustangs. To me, if you're a car guy, you like all cars, not just Mopar. I'm only working on this car right now. But yeah, he's gonna help me put the hood scoop on. We're gonna see how this thing looks. The hood is not painted, it is black, but I did test the wrap on there, but I might just put some clear coat on there just to prevent rusting. That's probably the only thing I'm gonna do on that hood, is just put some clear coat and call it a day. And then I'm gonna wrap it. So that way the wrap kind of sticks better. But you guys probably already know, I got the rims, I got the wide body kit, then I got my engine crate, then I got the transmission. All that's gonna be going in the garage, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta do one thing at a time. So I'm thinking about going spike lug nuts, purple spike lug nuts for this. If you think I should go purple spike lug nuts, comment down below. We'll see if he answers, man. But he might just call back though. But yeah, so man, I'm gonna go ahead and got a Camaro over there with an exhaust. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and get this hood on. We do gotta wait for him to come, but we gotta wait for this hood to come on, so we're gonna see how that go, man. Ain't gonna be a 1, 2, 3, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one thing that I did forget, I am gonna have to run the washer fluid line as well. So that's gonna be a pain, okay? Remember that, you guys. You gotta take off the brackets and swap out the washer fluid hose for the windshield. Well, people are gonna wonder about the this intake. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly why there's 3 nozzles on the Hellcat hood. You can see right here, there's an opening right here. There's an opening right here. There's another opening right there in the middle. So pretty much, basically, that's an actual working vent hood. So pretty much when there's cold air or there's air, it's gonna literally go straight into that intake, which can give your car just a little bit more horsepower. Because if anybody ever notices, in the summertime versus the wintertime, your car is always going to be faster in the wintertime because it's cold. Your intake is sucking in more cold air versus the summertime. So that's why sometimes you may see your car maybe a little sluggish, especially in Arizona where it's like 120 degrees. Because I notice a big difference when it's really hot outside. It's hard for me to do a burnout in a V6, but when it's colder, the tires will spin like crazy, which I'm gonna show you guys right now in this video. And I'm gonna put the Hellcat hood on top just so you guys can see what it looks like. Give you guys a quick visual of what I mean. Notice how the V6 intake is like a a long tube, right? The intake is right here. It pretty much is like right here. So when the air goes into this vent, it's sucking in more cold air. You see what I'm saying? So it'll pull more air from the outside versus you can't really get no cold air. You see what I'm saying? But you would definitely get more cold air with this vented hood. So if you got a V6 Charger, get you a Hellcat hood. If you want to keep your V6, get the Hellcat hood. It will help you. Your engine will breathe a little bit more better, and you will have a fully functioning Hellcat hood scoop. All right, real quick, you guys, as you guys can see, there's tape residue right here. So you make sure you want to get some Gooby Gone, spray it around, and let it sit for at least about 5 minutes. Make sure you get this right here, this product, because I don't know why Vikers put that cheap tape all around this thing, and it left tape marks, as you guys can see. So I'll put some Gooby Gone, and it should just come off when I wipe it out. But I'm gonna go take off the other hood. Look at that thing, boy. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. You guys, look, if you're taking off the hood and you're having trouble, this is what you do. You get some pliers, not too much for us.
Not too much for her. But man, that seems like it's a little different.
That ain't no different.
Yeah, make sure I got that grip on there. Ain't gripping.
Be gentle with it.
That was not right.
Huh?
That was not.
So if you guys notice, there's like a little hook right here, and this one is broken, but you know what I'm saying, sometimes things can be a little brittle, but we all make mistakes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, if this breaks, you will have to probably replace it, but 9 times 10, this is what's really holding it in. You guys, man, got the hood off, man, in the Dodge Charger, man. Look, I can't wait. When I do the motor swap, man, I might have the hood off just for a little bit, man, just to flex that whipper when I got it up in there.
Big flex.
And we got what? What we got over here?
Oh, we got Megatron.
We got Megatron right here. You know what I'm saying? HT. Y'all know what HT is, man. But my boy, you know what I'm saying, he did his first rap. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. He did his first rap. But you guys, man, look. Show my boy some love, man. Go to his channel and check it out, man. Alright? But about to get the Black Panther situated. You know what I'm saying? Engine bay's dirty. Don't really care about this engine right now, you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be coming out soon. So this is for people who got V6s, okay? Now with the Hellcat scoop, there's a vent that's literally over this intake. So if you got a V6 and you got a Cannon intake, you're going to get more cold air into your engine. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys when we get this hood on. All right, you guys, I got the hood on, but you know, there's some things, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I'm gonna have to adjust something. I think I'm gonna have to adjust the little knobs, because this is sitting a little bit too far down, so I'm gonna have to do some little modifications. But everything looks good, you know what I'm saying. Thanks to my boy Zoe, helped me out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the knob. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So with this, just do like a little quarter turn. But I already did this, so I'm not gonna do that one. To the other side, just turn it just a little bit. Okay, and then like just keep doing it until you get the right fitment that you want. Because like I said, if you're doing a V6, you're not gonna change this bumper, yeah, you're gonna need to do this. Forget to take off your rubber grommets to close the hood. So that's gonna be over here. So make sure you guys take this off.
Right on the side. And he in there.
Alright, okay. You see, this is what happens when you got friends, man. 2 eyes better than one. Alright, so he went ahead and got this on, so I'm about to go ahead and close the hood and see what it does. Huh? So it's still, as you guys can see, it's kind of still a little bit low. So I'm gonna, like I said, turn that knob to kind of raise it up some more. So we're about to go ahead and see if it fit. Check the fitment.
Slide. Look like that side slide. Or is it not closed?
me see. Lift it back up. So I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. All right, close it.
No, something's not right here.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and fix this problem, see what's going on. Make sure you guys, the grommet is in the right spot. We had it right here, but if you look right here, you see that there's a little circle right here. That's where your grommet been resting a lot, so you will see it. So make sure you have that grommet lined up if it closes properly. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. It's not latching. Hey you guys, man, as you guys can see, man, finally got the hood on. The lines, the gaps, everything is perfect. You will have to play with it. I will tell you that. You will have to play with it. Now the only thing I got to do next is wait on the wide body kit to come, because this front bumper is coming off. The rear bumper is coming off. Then I got to add the wide body flares to the sides, as you guys can know. And then the air suspension. And then I throw on the rims. And then, you know, you got to say the best for last. Pull this engine out. So that's what it looks like so far, man. Yes, sir.